Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable commentary language, how to easily download the commentary data in eFootball 2024. So before we start, I made this video is for beginners that are still new into this game, confusing how you can challenge the event, complete the mission so you can get ton of rewards from this game. So let's get started by tap the extra and tap the game settings, and the last one, this is download commentary data. So there are some commentary language available like the English one, French, Deutsch, Italiano, Espanol, Mexico, Portuguese, Korean, Portuguese, Brazil, and many more. So please download according your preference, according your country language, or if you are native of French, you can download the French one. So I'm using the English. There are data size you have to download like 700 megabyte in English, and the other such as Deutsch it's different. Different country or different language, I mean different download commentary data size. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.